All right, Tim Burbank here with OKNOPLAST. We're here in the showroom in Krakow, Poland. I got a visitor today. His name is Steve Baczek, and we're gonna show him some products.
Look
Hey,
at
Steve.
that.
Welcome, come on in.
You can't help but take a look at this door and say, man, where do I start?
Well, I'm gonna start with, this is our Aluview Sky Plus slider. This option comes in motorized, comes manual, comes with a 0 threshold, 88 thresholds, gutter systems. You can maximize this sash up to 13.1 by 13.1. It gets really heavy though, Steve.
Yeah, it gets really heavy, hence the need for motorized.
Motorized. You could typically, on a 13.1 sash, you could probably get somewhere roughly 1,540 pounds per sash.
Yeah, yeah. Now, the things that you talked about, obviously size is always a concern of, hey, I want a bigger one. I didn't buy this property, overlooking the ocean to put a little window in. So they're gonna want the bigger. But the idea here that we're illustrating kind of a zero entry, right? Like you can put your feet across the threshold.
Yes.
There is no out of plane dimensional change there.
That's correct,
which
Steve.
is a very, very cool solution. The fact that it's motorized, another very cool solution.
So what we have here also, Steve, is on this side of the sash, we made this side manual.
Yep.
Now, when you open it up, you do have a handle here for a locking and unlocking feature, but literally this is a big sash that's nearly effortless.
Which you don't see. I mean, this is pretty much very atypical for a slider, because the slider always, or traditionally, has the fixed side and then the operable side. And for this one here to have both options is absolutely pretty incredible, because you could probably do this too, right? If this was in a larger room and you had a big room, you could just park this thing in the middle, move the motorized piece down, and now as you have a party,
Two pass-throughs.
You have two pass-throughs.
What's great about this,
go out to
Steve,
your patio.
that we didn't even talk about here, is when we talk about the magnitude of size for a 13.1 by 13.1 sash, right? Everybody thinks they're gonna have a lot of frame.
Yep.
This actual profile is going to have a 1-inch separation and divider for a 13.1, 13.1.
Absolutely incredible. And even the frame around the bottom there, I mean, that can't be but about 2 inches at the most, right?
Right,
Maybe.
and this is a triple glaze system we are operating right now.
Yeah. I mean, I can't help but one of my favorite features, you're gonna love this, with the motorized, you don't have to get up to let the dog out.
No, not at all.
You just be sitting there watching TV and just hit the button, open the door, dog goes out, close the door.
Let's try it, Steve. This is closed.
There you go. Yeah, it's, and obviously you can stop it.
Yes, you can stop it.
There you go. All right, I was hitting the wrong button, but that's opening it. Yeah, it's, and the motorized, it's not a requirement, but it's an option.
Correct.
So I can choose if I want to get up and manually open and close the door. I have that option too, but as these things get bigger, they get heavier.
They get heavier. You know, it's really nice in a bedroom, in a living room, sitting on the couch. You want a breath of fresh air, you can just hit the button, remote control, open it up.
I'm very intrigued by the operable, which would typically be the fixed panel, but to have that. And you know what? Because this thing has to be deep because of its narrow, it actually makes for a pretty good handle.
Pretty good handle.
Right? So it works very well there. So, and again, 0 threshold. And you said we can do that in drainable, so that if we had an outdoor patio or deck or something
It would be
that
on
would
a gutter
drain,
system.
we could drop that down and get rid of the
Pipe
water.
it out. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, good deal.
That's one beautiful door.
Awesome. Let's go check out some more products.
All right.